Hello, I'm Adrian Coleman, Sales and Marketing Director of Thesis Technology Products in the UK, and we manufacture the Limbo waterproof protector. I'm here at EUMA in Gothenburg, the European Wound Management Association conference and exhibition, and I just want to show you a few of the highlights of our product. So the product is made from a reinforced PVC sleeve, and it's welded to a really beautiful, soft, gentle neoprene seal that's 100% waterproof. And this is an arm model, you put it on your arm, you can see that the seal sits nice and flat against the bicep, and that creates a full waterproof seal. Very effective for your shower or your bath. Keeps your dressings, your bandages, your PICC lines or your cast completely dry when you're in the shower or the bath. And I can demonstrate that for you here today. So here we have another arm model, and as you watch you'll see I lower it down into the water, fully submerged, completely waterproof, and you can see that the seal is nice and flat against the limb, creating 100% seal. And you're completely dry inside. So the Limbo is manufactured in the UK, but we sell our product all around the world, and you can purchase them via our website in the UK, or by phoning our office, or by going on Amazon in the UK too.